Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 1 English class. Children, today we are going to learn our first poem, Turtles, from our course book, that is a volume 1 English course book. So the title is Turtles. Look at the spelling, children. Turtles, turtles. Repeat again, turtles, turtles, turtles. Do you know what do you mean by turtles? Have you ever seen a turtle? Do you know how the turtles will behave? Look at this image, children. What is this? Yes, this is known as turtle. Turtle, turtle. These turtles are like reptiles with hard shells. Look at the shell. The turtle has shell on its back, which is red in color. Look at there in the picture. It has a shell that protects them from predators. Look at this. Turtles are reptiles with hard shells. Turtles won't be soft. The shell of the turtles are hard. The appearance is very hard to protect themselves from predators. They are among the oldest and most primitive group of reptiles. This type of turtles spend most of their lives in water. They are adapted for aquatic life with webbed feet or flippers. Look at this, children. We have seen that a turtle is in the land and most of the turtles like to live in the water. So this turtle is swimming in the sea water. And overview, sea turtles are large. The size of the sea turtles are large, air breathing. They breathe through air breathing reptiles that inhabit tropical and subtropical seas throughout the world. These sea turtles are large in size. Their shells, that is the turtle's shells, consist of an upper part and a lower section also. So both the sides, the top, it consists of the shell and a lower section is also there. Their streamlined bodies and large flippers make them remarkably adapted to life at sea. See, with the help of these flippers, they can easily swim in the sea. Thus, the turtles can easily swim in the sea by themselves. So, this type of sea turtles are large in size compared to live in the land. This type of turtles are like to swim or like to live in the sea. This turtle consists of a shell at the top side and by the lower section also there is a plaster. So this is the appearance, or you can say as the structure of the turtle. Now let's enter into the poem Turtles. Look at the title again, children. Turtles, turtles. Turtles, turtles. Now look at the poem, children. One baby turtle, alone and true, finds a friend, and then there are two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another, and then there are three baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are four baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another, and then there are 5. Once again I will read the poem, children. Listen carefully. one baby turtle alone and true finds a friend, and then there are two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another, and then there are three baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are four baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another, and then there are five. Children, did you remember a poem which you have learned in your cages that 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, shut the door? What did you learn from this poem, children? Yes, you have learned about the countings. That you have learned about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it's going on. So, you all know the counting. That is from 1 to at least up to 100. Definitely you all know. So, this poem explains about the counting of the turtles. How a turtle joined with another turtle. Now look at the first line, children. One baby turtle alone and true. one baby turtle. B-A-B-Y baby turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E turtle alone. First, there is only one baby turtle. Baby turtle. What do you mean by baby turtle, children? A younger one. The younger one of a turtle is known as baby turtle. One baby turtle alone and true. There is only one baby turtle. It lives alone and the baby turtle is true. One baby turtle alone and true. Look at this, children. How many turtles are there? Yes, there is only one turtle is there, and this turtle is baby turtle. It is not a big turtle. It's a baby turtle and it is living alone. Look at this picture, children. One baby turtle alone and true. So there is only one baby turtle. It swims alone and this baby turtle is true. It lives alone. Nobody is there. No friend is there to live along with this turtle. So this baby turtle is living alone in the sea and this turtle is true. Again, let's recall the first line, children. One baby turtle alone and true. So in the picture there is only one baby turtle and the baby turtle is living alone and it is true. Now look at the second line, children. Finds a friend and then there are two. Finds a friend. What is the spelling for friend? F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Finds a friend and then there are two. So first there is only one baby turtle and that baby turtle live alone and true. Then what happened? The baby turtle finds a friend. After some times a baby turtle find a friend. And now it becomes how many? Two. And then there are two. Finds a friend and then there are two. One baby turtle alone and true. Finds a friend and then there are two. Look at this, children. First, there is only one baby turtle and it doesn't have any friend. The baby turtle lives alone and true. After some times, what happened? This baby turtle finds a friend. You all have friend, no? Like the same, this turtle also, that is this baby turtle also finds a friend. And then there are two. Now how many turtles are there, children? There are two baby turtles. First, there is only one turtle. That turtle doesn't have any friend, and then it finds a friend. So now there are totally how many turtles? Two turtles. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So now there are two turtles in the sea. Now look at the third line, children. Two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. Two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. What do you mean crawl? C-R-A-W-L. Crawl means to move slowly. To move very slowly. Crawl means to move very slowly, or you can say as a style of swimming. A style of swimming which you do on your front. A style of swimming which you do on your front. Listen, children. Two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. Look at this, children. How these two turtles, that is the two baby turtles, crawl down to the sea. Crawl means it is a style of swimming which you do on your front. So this baby turtles are doing crawl down to the sea. When you do the crawl, you move first one arm and then the other over your head. Turn your face to one side so that you can breathe and kick up and down with your legs. So, these two baby turtles, first there is only one baby turtle, then it finds a friend. So, now totally there are two baby turtles. These two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. Crawl down to the sea. Crawl means a style of swimming which you do on your front. So, this type of turtles are doing crawl down to the sea. They are enjoying in the sea. Now there are how many turtles are there, children? Yes, two turtles are there. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So now there are two baby turtles are there. Now look at the fourth line, children. They find another and then there are three. First there is only one baby turtle. It finds a friend. So then there are two. And now what happened? They find another and then there are three. So only the two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. There they find another one turtle. So now there are three turtles. How many turtles? Three turtles. First there is only one turtle. It finds a friend. So there are two baby turtles. They crawl down to the sea. Then the two baby turtles find another one turtle. So now there are 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So now there are 3 baby turtles in the sea. Look at this, children. First there is only one baby turtle and there is no friend for that baby turtle. It lives alone and then it finds a friend. Then there are two baby turtles. That two baby turtles crawl down to the sea. Crawl means it is a type of swimming which they can do on their front. So they crawl down to the sea. There they find another turtle and now there are three turtles. How many turtles? Three turtles. First there is only one. Then it finds another friend. These two turtles find another turtle. So now there are totally three turtles. There are how many friends? Three friends. So three baby turtles became friends. Now look at the next line, children. three baby turtles move along the shore. These three baby turtles, what did they do? They move along the shore. They didn't swim in the sea. The three baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are four. There the baby turtles find another one, and now they became how many? Four in number. First there is only one baby turtle. It is alone, and then it finds a friend. So now it becomes two. These two baby turtles find another one turtle. So it becomes, so that strength is 3. There are 3 baby turtles, and the 3 baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are how many? 4 turtles. Now there are 4 turtles. Look at the next line, children. 4 baby turtles go for a dive to swim. They went to swim. Up swims another, and then there are 5. This baby turtle swim in the sea. Up swims another, and then there are 5. And now there are 5 in number. They find another, and then there are 4. Now there are 4 in numbers. What happened? Later they find another one baby turtles. So up swims another, and there are 5. Finally, there are how many turtles? 5 turtles in the sea. Look at this, children. First there is only one baby turtle, and that baby turtle is alone and true. There is no friend. There is only one baby turtle, and then it finds a friend. Then the turtle finds a friend. Then it becomes how many? 2 in number. These 2 baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They move slowly. They swim in the sea. The 2 baby turtles. There they find another one turtle. So 2 plus 1, it becomes 3 baby turtles. These 3 baby turtles, what did they do? They move along the shore. They enjoyed. They find another. These 3 baby turtles find another one, and then there are 4 turtles. And then there are how many turtles? 4 turtles in number. These 4 baby turtles go for a dive. There they find another one turtle. Up swims another, and then there are 5. So now how many turtles are there? There are totally 5 turtles. First the one turtle join, it finds a friend, so it becomes 2. These 2 baby turtles find another one turtle, so there are 3 turtles, and these 3 turtles find another one, then it becomes 4. All these 4 turtles, what did they do? They go for a dive, and then they find another one. So now there are 5 turtles. There are 5 baby turtles in the sea. Now let's again read the poem, children. The title of the poem is Turtles. 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 One baby turtle alone and true finds a friend, and then there are 2. 2 baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another, and then there are 3. 3 baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are 4. 4 baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another, and then there are 5. Children, we have learned the first poem, Turtles, from our course book, that is page number 6. After reading this poem, we shall do the exercise in our workbook and then activity book. First, take your workbook. We shall do the question answer, that is the answer the following in the workbook, that is page number 6. This is your workbook, page number 6. First look at the question, children. Did you enjoy the poem? What is your answer? Did you enjoy the poem? Yes, you have enjoyed the poem. So we can write the answer as yes, I enjoyed the poem. Look at the spelling. You have to write like this. The first letter Y must be capital. Y-E-S-S, comma, I enjoyed. E-N-J-O-Y-E-D, enjoyed the, T-H-E, the, poem, P-O-E-M, poem. Keep full stop. So read it again, children. Did you enjoy the poem? Yes, I enjoyed the poem. Yes, I enjoyed the poem. Now look at the next question, children. Have you ever seen a turtle? Yes, I have seen a turtle. Yes, Y-E-S-S. Give some space. Come on, then give some space. Yes, I have, H-A-V-E, have seen. S-E-E-N, seen a turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Yes, I have seen a turtle. Again, read the children. Have you ever seen a turtle? Yes, I have seen a turtle. Now look at the third question, children. What did you like the most in this poem? Again, I will read once. Listen carefully. What did you like the most in this poem? Look at the answer, children. I like the turtles the most in the poem. What did you like here, children? Like the turtles. I like the turtles the most in the poem. I liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked the turtles, T-U-R-T-L-E-S, turtles the most, M-O-S-T, most in the poem. Again, let's read the question answer, children. Listen carefully. Did you enjoy the poem? Yes, I enjoyed the poem. Have you ever seen a turtle? Yes, I have seen a turtle. What did you like the most in this poem? I liked the turtles the most in the poem. Now look at the next question, children. Answer the following question in a word. In a single word, you have to answer. Now look at the question. What did the two baby turtles do? What did they do? Did you remember the poem? Two baby turtles crawled down to the sea. What did they do? They crawled down to the sea. First, there is only one baby turtle. Then it finds a friend. So now it becomes two. What did they do? The two baby turtles crawled down to the sea. They swim. They dive into the sea. They crawl down into the sea. So what is the answer? Crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. The two baby turtles crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. Now look at the next question, children. Did the three turtles swim in the sea? No. Did they swim in the sea, the three turtles? No. What did they do? The three baby turtles move along the shore. They didn't swim. So no. What is the answer? N-O, no. Now look at the next question, children. How did the four turtles go into the sea again? How did the four turtles go into the sea again? Do you remember the poem, children? The four baby turtles go for a dive. What did they do? They went for a dive. How did the four turtles go into the sea again? You have to write your answer by only one word, dive, D-I-V-E, dive, D-I-V-E, dive. And look at the next. Where were all the 5 turtles finally? Where were they? They were in the sea. In the sea, S-E-A-C. Where were all the 5 turtles finally? In the sea. Children, we have learned our turtles poem. That is the first poem, turtles, in our course book. With the help of the turtles poem, which we have learned in our course book, then we have done a exercise in workbook. Now let's practice again and another one exercise in the activity book. Now take your activity book, that is page number 6. Take your activity book, children. This page number 6. Look at the title, Turtles, T-U-R-T-L-E-S. Turtles is the name of our first poem. Look at the question. You have 5 different sized turtles on the shore. They are numbered from 1 to 5. Draw the corresponding turtles on either side of the phrases and read out the sentences. So, look at the title. You have 5 different sized turtles on the shore. Look at this. How many turtles are there? Count its number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 turtles are there. Do all the turtles are in same size and same color? No. All the turtles are not in the same color and not in the same size. Only 2 turtles in the same size. Listen, children. They are numbered. Can you identify the number? Yes. 1. The number 1 is in which color? The number 1 turtle is in blue color. Then what is the second turtle? The second turtle is in red color. The third turtle is in which color? Yes, it is green in color. And then the fourth turtle is pink color. And finally, the fifth turtle is in which color? Yellow color. So now there are 5 turtles are there and the turtles are not in same color. And then there are different in size. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One is in blue color, second one is in red color, third one is in green color, fourth one is in pink color, and that is a fourth one is in pink color, fifth one is in yellow color. Look at this, children. 2 sides, there is a 2 sides are blank. You have to fill the corresponding turtle on the side, on both the sides, to give a complete sentence, that is to fulfill the phrase. Here, dash is the same size as dash. Now look at the picture, children. What are the 2 turtles are in the same size? Can you look at this? Which 2 turtles are in the same size? Yes, this yellow turtle and then the red turtle are the same size. So the red turtle is the same size as yellow. So here you have to, here I have mentioned only red turtle is the same size as yellow turtle. Instead of writing here, you have to draw the turtle and you have to color it. Then you should read the sentence. Red turtle is the same size as yellow turtle. Can you understand, children? Both the sides you have to draw the turtle. Dash is the same size as dash. Which turtle is same as? The second turtle, that is a red turtle, is the same as the fifth turtle, that is yellow turtle. Then can you find which turtle is bigger than which turtle? Can you identify the size? Which turtle is bigger than which turtle? This green turtle is bigger than pink turtle. Look at the image, that is the third turtle is bigger than fourth turtle. So for the second question, you can draw this. This green turtle is bigger than pink turtle. Green turtle is bigger than pink turtle. this side, left side, you can draw the green turtle, and there is bigger than pink turtle. There you can draw the turtle and you can color as the pink. Now can you identify which turtle is smaller than which turtle? Yes, yellow turtle, or you can write as a green, that is a red turtle. Either yellow or red turtle is smaller than pink turtle, or you can mention as a green turtle. And then which turtle is heavier? The weight, comparing the weight. Which turtle is heavier than which turtle? Yes, this blue turtle is heavier than remaining turtles. Any turtle you can draw. This blue turtle is heavier than green turtle, you can try. Or this blue turtle is heavier than red turtle. According to your wish, you can draw the turtles here. Children, for your identification, just have written the color of the turtles here. You should not write the color of the turtle. Instead, you have to draw the turtle with the size and you have to color it. So, you have to concentrate on the color and size of the turtles. You should not write simply. You should draw the turtles and color it here. So, children, now let's learn the poem again. That is, let's recall the poem again. Turtles. 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 Look at this picture. There are 5 turtles in the sea. Look at the poem, children. You can read along with me. One baby turtle, alone and true, finds a friend, and then there are 2. 2 baby turtles crawl down to the sea. They find another, and then there are 3. 3 baby turtles move along the shore. They find another, and then there are 4. 4 baby turtles go for a dive. Up swims another, and then there are 5. So read this poem, children. That is in your course book, page number 6. Learn this turtles poem, and then after read this poem, you have to take your workbook, complete that page number 6 in your workbook. That is a one word question answer. After completing your workbook, take your activity book. You can draw the turtles and you should color it. So after completing this, that is your activity, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.